Hi everyone, I'm really excited to be showing the opening of my new Pranamat. I heard about this from Heather, who has a dog that I walk with locally, and it is a mat that will provide massage and acupuncture and other benefits. So again, I am opening up the box. And this is the Pranamat Eco. The Pranamat Eco has natural cotton, coconut fiber, pure linen, and HIPS plastic, which is the greenest plastic in existence, as sustainable materials to create this unique experience with these lotus flowers that are spiky and create that acupuncture and massage compression. And there's a travel bag that the set comes with that you can take it with you to help you with your stress wherever you are, as well as neck pain, back pain. The pillow can be put under your belly or in your back, on your head, anywhere to really help with any sort of tension. And you can also stand on the mat to help with a foot massage, or spend just 15 to 20 minutes to experience really positive health effects. And I hope that you will try it out as well. I'm going to lay down on it and let's see how it feels. Yes.